so here it is. Today's the day. Taking the new plane to Vegas with the wife, and gonna be without the boy for 2 days. You gonna miss us, buddy? Yeah? Are you gonna miss us, buddy? It's gonna be fun. All right, so here we are heading out, waiting for the wife as usual. It's kind of interesting because wife didn't want me to get the plane, and she was kind of scared of me flying, but I think she's finally getting over it. So be excited taking our first trip. And the cool thing about flying myself is that instead of driving 45 minutes to the airport or getting an Uber all the way downtown, is the airport's like 10 minutes from here. So makes it super convenient, saves at least 30 minutes of driving, probably another 45 minutes to an hour in the airport, and all that good stuff. So, and when the wife's late, it doesn't matter because the plane can't leave without us. All right, here we go. We just pulled up to the airport. Give me one word of what you're thinking right now. Ah! That's not a word. Ah! Still not a word.
All I got.
All right, let's go. We made it safe and sound. Landing was as good as I wanted it to be. A little rough. Alright, we made it here on our first day. Going to meet some friends for dinner and a client. And we're gonna maybe wait for the Bellagio fountains to start here. Should we wait or should we go?
We should go. We'll catch them next time.
They go every, what, 30 minutes or so? So we'll probably catch it tonight. We've been walking for miles now, and we landed at Caesar's Palace. So many like shops here, it's crazy. And now we're heading to True Food Kitchen. So if you guys have ever been to True Food Kitchen or have not, you need to check it out. It's good fresh food. We actually have one in San Diego, and anytime we're out of town, if we can't find somewhere healthy, we go to True Food Kitchen. Now we're shopping. Glad they have a comfy couch for this. Here at Earth Cafe, we found natural organic cafe. Hard to find in Vegas. Woo. Organic huevos rancheros. Stuff if you want it. Wife is like, we haven't seen a massage place. And then we turn the corner and bam. We decided to make a quick trip to Old Vegas before we go see our show tonight. Park MGM, no smoking, and I'm gonna grab some pizza.
Well, you can find out.
stop to play the slot machine. Let's see how it's going.
This is really easy to lose.
Yeah.
It's boring too.
It'll be gone in like 2 minutes. Last one.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
It was actually 30 seconds.
Of
Not
not
2 minutes.
fun. That was like so not fun.
Checking out, heading out of the hotel, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually limping. Got a cramp in my foot from all the walking. It's been hard to walk the last 24 hours, but it was all worth it.
So many people gambling so early.
We found a coffee shop here by the airport. All organic coffee, a lot of organic eggs and stuff like that. So this will be our spot when we come here again, right?
Yes.
We just got here to the private airport to fly out, so we're gonna head out here in a minute after they fuel the plane. The Uber driver told us that Southwest Airlines, someone jumped over the counter at the other airport and they had to evacuate the whole airport. So there's like a 2-hour delay on all the flights, which is crazy. I guess they thought the guy had a gun and it was a emergency kind of deal. So another good reason to be able to come to the private airport and fly. You don't have to depend on the commercial airlines. So successful trip to Vegas, here for a little over 48 hours, a couple shows, lots of fun, and now we're heading back. Made it back from our trip. Oh, hold on. Bigger planes are a little loud, so had a good time. Everything good? Successful trip?
Yep. Success.
Success. We have another one in 4 weeks. Lake Tahoe.
I don't know what would be worse.
And what a coincidence here. The Cirrus Jet. It's the one I ordered that's coming here in 4 years. Can't wait. Look at all the other planes. They're pretty.